You have been saying that you want to be more visible in your business, but you don't know how to do this. One of the biggest struggles I see today new business owners make is that they don't know how to generate more leads and sales on social media and have those happy customers. People will complain why their business is not moving forward. And the thing is that you are not putting your offer out there for people to see. So my team and I, we have designed a framework for you to be positioned as the visibility brand authority, so that not only you can make more leads and sales, but you can actually charge premium prices, but serve better your community with clear messaging. And that is why going live is the most eyeballing effective tool to get you more visibility and more eyeballs to your business, but also of who you are as a business owner. So let me explain why going live is so powerful and how this actually differentiates from what everybody else is doing. Now, going live can actually cost you €0, $0 wherever you are, which equals zero money. You can potentially reach millions of people. Not only that, you can do Facebook Lives here on YouTube or on Instagram Lives. You can do Twitter Lives. You can do LinkedIn Lives. You can do lives on almost any social media platform today. So what this gives your business and what you're offering and your brand, massive exposure on how you do things, why you do things. Not only that, you get live reactions and comments right there, and you don't have to do it well. You have to do it right. And you probably heard me say this before. Everybody wants to know who is behind the curtain. If you don't show up, if you don't put yourself out there, how can people actually make a decision to buy something from you? But the good thing is that when you are on social media, you need to be creating and be there to be social, because people will make a buying decision based on who is behind the brand. How do they feel about that brand? Not actually what your offer, what your products are, none of that. So one of the biggest case studies I can give you is myself. I hated going live. I hated it, but I went on a live with an artist in the USA. When we finished that live, I got so many DMs with people wanting to work with me. And from those, I chose only 2 people to work with me. And then I was invited to an industry event live. And in that live, I talked about my branding and my marketing. And although no leads came from that live, I know for sure that people now will know that I am a marketing and branding expert. So you see, the more people that can actually connect with you on a live, the more people they can actually experience who you are as a person when you laugh or when you say things and when you're being yourself, because you are in a live setting. It's more intimate. But not only that, they get to understand why you serve others, what actually makes you unique and your business unique. Because people just want to connect with real people. That is what social media is all about. Not only that, people get to reference you when your industry and your niche comes up, because you stay top of mind. When somebody say, oh, she's a yoga teacher or she's a stylist, they actually know because they saw your live. So they remember that you were the expert that they saw that was talking about, their business. So you stay top of mind. And this actually creates a snowball effect. I want you to think of this way. Think of yourself being in a networking event. Being in a networking event, you have to be saying what you do all the time. You have to be very salesy. salesy all the time. And I know for a lot of you, you don't like that. I personally don't like that, right? But in a live, going live is a little bit more intimate because we have a pressure that we put on ourselves that when we are on these social events, we have to be like bragging of what we do. But on a live, you get to control what is being said. You get to control the messaging. You get to control everything, even where you are, where you're standing, what you're sharing about you and your business. You control the narrative 100% all the time. And I know you might be thinking, V, this is so intimidating. I can't do this. I am so shy. What am I going to say? Why would I do something like that for my business? I don't want to be the face. That is I feel so insecure being on camera. And I get it. Although I was a performer for so many years, I hated speaking in public. I hated saying what I felt. I felt that pressure that people were going to judge me 100% all the time. And then I learned different things that my head was not letting me move forward where I wanted actually my business to go. I had thoughts of, my voice, my body, my hair, how I look. I overcame most of it because some things, you still drag with you, but I overcame most of them. And the way that I will teach you how to overcome these will not take you the years that took me to overcome all that bad juju and like rain on my head all the time and insecurities. So if you want to be present in your business and you want to be able to empower, but also feel empowered while you're empowering others through your services, you want to stay top of mind on social media, you want to have a clear messaging, you want all those things and good sales and leads, then I would love to introduce you to Visibility on Social. How to go from invisible to profitable leads. This is a 4-week beta program. We are starting and we're opening on November 8th until November 29, 2021. Just in case you're like, oh, we're in this. Okay, 2021. All lessons will be delivered live. And if you can't make it, you can always watch the replay. We're always going to give you a workbook for you to work during those 4 weeks, and we'll be expecting a lot of feedback from you. It is amazing to me how so many people will not go live or do anything live because they don't feel they want to be judged. It's as if you control what they're saying, what they're thinking, or that it's even personal to you. So if you want to actually stop feeling that way, you want to give your business a chance to be the brand that needs to be. You want to be, be more visible on social media and get more leads and more sales and work for it and commit to it. Then I want you to head on to veronicadipolo.com/beta and we'll get to meet each other there. And you can actually go right now and sign up for the waiting list. Once we open our doors, November 2nd, you will see everything that is included there. I can't wait for you to actually give your business what it actually deserves. See you there. Bye-bye.